Other Daniel, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Tell me a little bit about this amazing robot behind us in Robotics.
Yeah, so we've developed the easiest to use collaborative robotic welding system that you're actually going to program on your smartphone.
So what makes it so easy to use?
Yeah, so a lot of that lies in our app. So like I said, you're programming on a smartphone. So compared to traditional robots where you're programming on what they call a teach pendant, there's a specific software language on those. There's coordinate systems you need to know. It requires a lot of training. Our app is easy enough that, if you know how to send a text message on your phone, you can figure out how to program with our app.
Bold of you to assume I know how to send a text. Now, would you say you're democratizing robotics for all the industries, all the different people?
That's right. So as anyone in the welding industry will tell you, it's really hard to find skilled welders. But what they'll also tell you is that it's really hard to find skilled robotic programmers. So if you can't find welders and you can't get robots because you don't know how to program them, what are you supposed to do? So we've developed a solution here where you can empower the skilled welders that you already have, turn those folks into robot programmers.
So it sounds like this is a minimum of training is required to get folks up and running with your system. Is that fair?
That's right. In fact, I'm going to teach you how to program a part here very shortly.
I'm very excited. And very briefly, what is new this year that you've brought to the show that is completely new from what you've done before?
Yeah, so we've always offered Miller welding equipment. We've recently partnered with ESAB. They're a terrific partner. You'll see our ESAB system set up down there as well.
That's wonderful. And I always ask folks, if I could hand you the mic to speak to the industry, what's one thing you'd say? Do this, don't do this.
Incredibly easy to use. Anyone who's looking for robotic welding capacity, really consider ease of use. That's what we focused our whole kind of operation around. Super simple, easy to use.
When I become a supervillain and my minions take over the world, I'll use your system. I'm excited. Thank you so much.